Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify app crashes on Android using Android System WebView checks, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify app crashes on Android using Android System WebView checks, follow these steps. First, ensure your Android device is running an updated version of Android System WebView. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Android System WebView. Locate the app from the search results. Check if an update is available. If an update is present, tap the Update button. Once the update is complete, exit the Play Store. Next, navigate to your device's settings. Scroll down and select Apps. Find and tap Android System WebView in the list. Here, you can view the app's permissions and storage usage. To check for crashes, tap on Storage. Select Clear Cache to remove temporary files. Now, go back to the Apps menu. Find the app that is crashing. Tap on the app to open its details. In this section, tap Force Stop to close the app completely. Next, relaunch the app to see if it crashes again. If the app still crashes, return to Settings. Select Developer Options if it is enabled. If not, go to About Phone and tap Build number 7 times to enable it. Once in Developer Options, find Enable WebView Debugging. Turn this option on to help trace issues. Now, reopen the app that crashed earlier. If it crashes again, connect your Android device to a computer. Ensure you have Android Studio installed on your computer. Open Android Studio and select Logcat. Filter the logs by entering the app's package name. Observe the logs to identify any crash reports. Look for keywords like fatal exception in the log messages. This indicates where the crash occurred. You can also review other logs for additional context. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.